Hi everyone, I ordered some of the vinyl medium powdered gloves and I just wanted to show you a little bit about it. I had gotten not the 1,000, I'm planning on getting that next, but I ended up getting the 100, just a pack of 100 to try it out. And what I have here is my table. It's dirty. I'm planning on cleaning it off. These gloves are very great. You can be able to put them on when your hands are wet, so I have water in here and it works excellent. And then I'm going to clean off the table so you can see it in action. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the gloves so you can see me putting it on. And that is pretty painless. Really great. And my hands are wet, you saw. And I have my ring on as well. Put it on. Bag didn't rip. Look at that. I have my ring on. A lot of times I move my ring to the side so the bag doesn't end up ripping, but this is holding up perfect.